Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I'll show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So first of all, we have here Temu on Google Play. You can just install it. So we have here buy as a millionaire, and we have here over than $100 million, as you can see. So this is Temu. All you have to do is just open web browser and dive into temu.com. So this is the home page. If you wanna sign up, all you have to do is click over order and orders and account, and then you will just link by your email address and your password, and then you start with it. If you already have an account, all you have to do is just write your password and you start with Temu. So this is Temu. As you can see, we have here various things and the various information. So Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profits. So, first of all I have to do to be an affiliate program, to scroll down, as you can see, you have here affiliate and influencer earn commission. So you click over it and you'll find this page. Once you do that, you will find here other information that you have to know it. So here we have earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. If you want to get started, you click over here. We have here earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Join now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So we have here over than 3,000 people have joined us, and then we have here important thing that we have here $100. So what happens with $100? So we have here can include in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial download. So we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. So the first step is join. Here we have all list in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. We have then the second step is share. Strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have the last step, which is earn. Achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. So this is how you can start with Temu affiliate partners. So we have just to click over join now, and we have also here some questions that you have to know. So for example, how long does it take and other information. Just you can just read it and to more understand. So you can make money on Temu by reselling products, participating in affiliate marketing, and or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable venture. So you can just tell people once you start with the Temu by clicking on the link, and you get $100 and you buy whatever you want, or you can also share your link in social media. So how you can share your link on social media and find people that click on your link. So the first one we have here, TikTok, as you can see. So we have here some Temu finds for peoples that share his products on Temu on TikTok. Sorry. So to earn money on Temu through TikTok, start by creating a caption videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxings, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with TikTok. You can just get started right now and you earn your commission. Then we have the second one, which is Pinterest. So to earn money on Temu through Pinterest, all you have to do is just create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link in the pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home, decor, or fashion. For example, here decor, home, or fashion, for example. Regularly update your boards with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have Reddit. So to earn money on Temu, draw Reddit, join Revolt subreddits where you can share products, recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items and include your affiliate link following subreddit rules. Then engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Reddit. Then we have the last one, it's by creating content. So to earn money on Temu, Draw, Instagram, and YouTube, start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products on Instagram, post e-captions, photos, or real featurings, Temu items, and include your affiliate link in your bio. On YouTube, you can just create unboxing videos, review or tutorials, placing your affiliate link in the video description. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click, as they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Temu. And in conclusion, we can just say leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu. By creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links, you can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. So this is how it works with Temu and how you can start with Temu to earn money with it. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and start today, make money on Temu.